Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Green Valley local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is an outstanding mover in Green Valley, Arizona. Our professional crews assist residential and commercial customers with long distance and local moves. Finding the right mover for your relocation to or from Green Valley, Arizona will get the project headed in the right direction. 3 Movers understands that it is stressful to look for a moving company, and we want to help. Here are some tips offered by FMCSA, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, on choosing a moving company. 1. Stick to Green Valley movers that register with FMCSA, as required by the regulations. You can check whether a moving company is registered by using FMCSA's Safer Search tool. You can also review the mover's safety record and any customer complaints on file. 2. Always ask for a written estimate based on a visual review of your household goods. Don't take a verbal offer from a mover, as this practice can lead to problems. Written estimates are more accurate and protect the consumer. 3. Ask about the company's dispute resolution program. Each mover must have one, and they should be willing to share information about it with you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Green Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.